everyone, I hope you're having a good day. Today I'm going to try a new item. This is magnetic eyeliner with magnetic lashes. It does sound too good to be true that you just put on an eyeliner and then this eyelashes will stick right to it. So I have no eyeliner on. I do have an eyeshadow on. You can see it's like kind of golden or bronze. So I will try this out. Whoa, these are some really big lashes. And that's the eyeliner. And they give you tweezers too. Okay, eyeliner time. I don't know if I'm gonna have to cut these eyelashes because my eyes are not, they don't look that big that they would be able to wear these big eyelashes. Okay, so here comes the eyeliner. There it is. I hope I don't mess up. I always sneeze. Okay, and then a little more here in the corner. I think I did a good job. Looks pretty good. Now to try and get the other side to match. I'm doing the magnetic eyelashes, Soraya.
Oh.
Do you want to see if it's true? I have to put on this magnetic eyeliner first. Uh-oh, eyeliner is drying up already. Let me shake it. It's new, so it shouldn't be drying up.
What's this?
Eyelashes.
Oh. Mom, look, ripping off an eyelash.
There's such bad lighting in here.
Another one?
So, I got the
And
magnetic liner on. It's time to toss these eyelashes on just like a refrigerator magnet. Because that's what I imagine. Like it will be just like putting a magnet on your refrigerator. Just should stick really well. Okay, here they come. Ready? Oh, look at that. They're actually staying. They're really big. Look at those eyelashes. I think I have to fix it. Okay. Whoa, I actually can feel them sticking a little bit, except for this one is sticking up at a weird angle. Oh, look at me. I got lashes. Thank you. Maybe my baby's passing me the other lash. Here comes the other lash.
Mom, is this one supposed to be the hair in this one?
Uh-oh. This one was a fail. Let me try this one again.
Do you throw these away after?
No, you're supposed to keep these forever. Okay, I think I need a Q-tip because I already made a mess. I got the eyeliner on my bottom part of my eye. Okay, I can't get this one on. I'm gonna go to the big mirror and try it and come right back. Okay, I have them on. They're so big. I just trimmed it a little bit. See? I take this one off. I took that part off because it was just too long. See how they're sticking right to my scissors? Thanks for watching this video. And I think this is a good idea. Maybe just trim the eyelashes a little bit if you want to have a more natural look, or you can even cut them to do individual lashes. Thanks for watching. And I ordered them on Amazon for I think $10.